The present AMP cost is $0, a 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,751,392 USD. AMP is down 2.99% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 182, with a live market cap of $120,398,074 U. It has a coursing supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP coins and a maximum supply of 99,444,125,026 AMP coins. AMP cost examination 1-day graph. A MP USD starts a flood from $0. The AMP specialized investigation. AMP has seen a bullish meeting today as purchasers proceed with their mastery with strong vertical tension. As the MP USD pair bounced back above $0, started a vertical pattern. The ongoing opinion encompassing AMP is getting certainty and expected bullish inversion. The 24-hour volume keeps on declining vigorously as it contacted $403.16 K, showing diminished interest in exchanging exercises. AMP's cost is at present exchanging at $0, flooding more than 1.2% as of now. AMP divided by $4 hour cost graph. AMP faces dismissal at $0. 4-hour AMP cost outline recommends that bears have taken control after the value neglected to flood above EMA 50. Today, AMP cost has framed a low close to its ongoing 23.6% lie channel at $0, and the resource has flooded following a vertical revision. The MACD pattern line has shaped bullish candles over the sign line, and the pointer is currently endeavoring to flood over the sign line, further fortifying the fight among bulls and bears. What's in store from AMP cost examination next? The hourly cost diagram affirms that bulls are starting a breakout over its nearby obstruction level, which may before long draw in really purchasing pressure. In the event that AMP's cost effectively holds its force above $0, it might break out and contact the obstruction at $0. AMP value forecast 2023. In light of our thorough specialized examination of AMP's verifiable cost information, we foresee that the cost of AMP in 2023 will arrive at least degree of $0. The most extreme cost level for AMP is projected to be $0, with a typical exchanging cost of $0. AMP value forecast 2024. Of every 2024, the cost of AMP is supposed to arrive at any rate level of $0. The greatest cost for AMP could reach $0, while the typical cost all through the year is assessed to be $0. AMP value conjecture for 2025. For 2025, we expect the cost of 1 AMP to arrive at the very least degree of $0. There is potential for the AMP cost to arrive at a greatest degree of $0, with a typical cost of $0 time. AMP value forecast 2026. Looking forward to 2026, our expectation shows that the cost of AMP will probably arrive at any rate worth of 1 cent. The most extreme worth of AMP could reach 1 cent, with a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent consistently. AMP value expectation 2027. Our estimate recommends that in 2027, the cost of AMP is supposed to arrive at the most reduced conceivable degree of 1 cent. Moreover, in light of our examination, the greatest conceivable level for the AMP cost could be 2 cents, with a typical estimate cost of 1 cent. AMP coin value expectation 2028. As per our estimate and specialized examination, the cost of AMP in 2028 is anticipated to arrive at any rate level of 2 cents. The greatest level for the AMP cost is projected to be 3 cents, with a typical exchanging cost of 2 cents. AMP value expectation 2029. Looking forward to 2029, our forecast proposes that the cost of AMP will arrive at least worth of 3 cents. The greatest incentive for AMP is supposed to reach 4 cents, with a typical exchanging cost of 3 cents over time. AMP value figure 2030. For 2030, our conjecture demonstrates that the cost of AMP is supposed to arrive at the most reduced conceivable degree of 5 cents. Moreover, in light of our discoveries, the AMP cost might actually arrive at a most extreme degree of 6 cents, with a typical estimate cost of 5 cents. AMP value expectation 2031. As per our top-to-bottom specialized examination of AMP's verifiable cost information, the cost of AMP in 2031 is determined to be around a base worth of 7 cents. The expected most extreme incentive for AMP is 8 cents, with a typical exchanging worth of 8 cents in USD. AMP value expectation 2032. Considering the conjecture and specialized examination, the cost of AMP in 2032 is supposed to arrive at the very least value worth of 12 cents. The most extreme cost incentive for AMP could be 14 cents, with a typical worth of 12 cents. AMP crypto value forecast by CoinCodex. In light of the most recent AMP cost expectation from CoinCodex, it is guessed that the worth of AMP will encounter a downfall of 1.25% and reach $0 May 26, 2023. CoinCodex's specialized pointers propose a negative feeling right now, while the trepidation and insatiability file is demonstrating a nonpartisan worth of 52. Throughout recent days, AMP has seen 15 out of 30 days with positive value development, and there has been a value unpredictability of 7.28%. Considering CoinCodex's AMP estimate, buying AMP is as of now considered ominous. The expected cost for AMP in 2026 would be 20 cents, assuming that it reflects the development example of Facebook. In any case, in the event that AMP lines up with the development direction of the web in general, the anticipated cost for 2026 would be 2 cents. AMP ongoing news and occasions. What is AMP? AMP can be portrayed as a type of exchange protection since, in such a case that an exchange on the Flexa network bombs because of extensive exchange times. The AMP digital money steps in to counterbalance those misfortunes. The Flexa network incorporates different trades and monetary establishments to give protest repayments across numerous locales. Flexa coordinates locally with existing retail location frameworks and online stages to empower installment in a commonplace checkout experience. In other AMP crypto news, clients overall have marked $710 in AMP to back Flexa installments starting around 10 WAC. It was $1.3 billion on the 6th of January. AMP got a 40% lift to its cost on the 23rd of November while driving trade. Binance declared it was making AMP accessible to its clients. AMP Crypto AMP Digital Money is an Ethereum-based computerized coin utilized as guarantee to get exchanges and decentralize the gamble of resource move in decentralized finance. It is another computerized cash in the crypto market that gives a moment and flexible connection point for obvious collateralization by means of an arrangement of security parts and guarantee supervisors. Outsider organizations can in a flash get exchanges for different resources utilizing AMP Crypto. AMP security segments are intended to collateralize accounts, exchanges, applications, and convey balances that are straightforwardly unquestionable on the blockchain of Ethereum. AMP insurance supervisors are brilliant agreements that could be locked, delivered, and diverted to help esteem move exercises. This new capacity to utilize any resource promptly upon move is an element any resource can profit from, whether computerized or physical. Cryptographic money or national bank advanced cash AMPtoken.org. The makers of AMP coin intend to eliminate the probability of misrepresentation and lessen the expense of counterparties' exchanges. AMP clients can stake AMP tokens to ensure monetary trade. For example, advanced installments, cash trade, credit installments, and property deals no matter what the agreement component. Prime supporter Tyler Spalding said that the startup continuously used its wallet administration while giving more unified programming answers for shipper accomplices. AMP as of now works with organizations that utilization its administrations, including Flexa, CoinGecko, Gemini, Sushi, Uniswap, and numerous others. Besides, AMP token backing's a tremendous scope of purpose cases for guarantee. Additionally, it presents the idea of predefined segment systems, which could empower one-of-a-kind capacities like guarantee models for marking while never leaving their unique location. A ban is the best convenience IMHO. This would stop any new or progressing lawful activities against the organizations being referred to.